Good morning, everyone. Today we will be reading and learning about Lesson 5, Real Life Reading. Let's take a look at number 1. Get ready to read. Look at the pictures. Read the words. What are the people doing? Let's look at the first picture. This woman is taking a shower. Taking a shower. This man is calling long distance. Calling long distance. This man is turning off the lights. Turning off the lights. Let's read them again. Taking a shower. Taking a shower. Calling long distance. Calling long distance. See, he's calling from California to, I don't know, somewhere on the East Coast. And the last one, he is turning off the lights. Turning off the lights. Okay. So, let's think about B now. Let's read. Think about the questions. Check your answers. Okay? So here's what I would like you to do. I would like you to look at these questions and write them down. Okay, I'll zoom in a little bit. I'd like you to write number 1 and number 2. So please write these 2 sentences in your notebook. You can press pause now. Write the sentences in your notebook and press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, so now you have written those sentences in your notebook. Let's read them. How long are your showers? How long are your showers? Do you take a shower in the morning or in the evening? How many minutes? We have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. How long are your showers? Please write your answer. For me, my showers are usually 10 to 15 minutes. If I need to wash my hair, washing my hair takes a little time. What about you? Do you have a quick shower? Just 5 minutes? Or do you have a long shower? 20 minutes? Which one saves water? Yes, if you take a 5-minute shower, you will save water. Also, if you don't shower every day, you can save more water. For me, if I did not get too dirty, I don't shower every day to save water. I will shower every other day if I'm not too dirty. But in the summer, it is so hot. So, in the summer, I shower every day, but I take short showers, just 5 minutes to save water. Okay, what about question number 2? How long are your phone calls? How long are your phone calls? This is a time when many people are making long phone calls or video calls with their family and friends. And if you are working, you make many video calls with your coworkers and your boss and your students or customers. I think at this time, many people are making long phone calls. So, how long are your phone calls or video calls? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 20 minutes? Or 1 hour? Do you make video calls with your family or your friends? I had a long video chat for 1 hour on the weekend with my father and my sister and my stepmother. It was so nice to see their faces again. At this time, I cannot visit anyone. I must stay at home with my husband and my son. So I like to have long video calls with my family, with my other family members, like my parents, my sisters and brother, my aunts, and also my grandmother. So I am happy that we have video calls now. I also make many video calls for my teaching work. Every week, I have maybe 5 to 10 video calls with my coworkers, like other teachers. Sometimes I do video calls with my students. Sometimes I have video calls with my boss. Many, many video calls. Okay, so those are some questions. We are very lucky these days because we can do video calls for free. Before, long distance calls were very expensive, but now they are free, or sometimes just a little money. So lucky. Okay, let's do number 2. Read about saving money. Okay, we are going to read the website. Okay, let's take a look at this website. It looks like it's an article about utility bills. Do you remember about utility bills? We studied them last week and the week before. Utilities are things like TV, electricity, internet, phone, and water. Things you must pay for in your house or for your life. Let's read. I will read everything one time, and then I will read again for you to listen and repeat. So the first time, just listen. Are your utility bills expensive? For many people, utility bills are very expensive. Here are some ways to save money. Not watching TV? Turn it off. Don't forget, turn off the lights and the stove. Take 5-minute, not 20-minute showers. Don't call long distance from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And they have a little note at the bottom that save means pay less money. Let's read again. This time I will read and you can repeat. Are your utility bills expensive? For many people, utility bills are very expensive. Here are some ways to save money. Not watching TV? Turn it off. Don't forget, turn off the lights and the stove. Take 5-minute, not 20-minute showers. Don't call long distance. from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. So this is some advice for saving money on your utility bills. What do you think about this first piece of advice? Not watching TV? Turn it off. How about you? If you are not watching TV, do you turn the TV off? I know many people keep the TV on all day when they are at home. But this takes a lot of electricity. So what about you? Do you turn off the TV when you're not watching it? How about the second one? Don't forget, turn off the lights and the stove. Oh, very important. Let's talk about the lights. Do you need all of your lights on all night? Or do you turn off the lights for the rooms you are not using? Also, the stove. It's very important to turn off the stove when you are finished cooking. It is very dangerous to leave the stove on. You can cause a fire by leaving the stove on. Very important to turn the stove off. What's the next one? Take 5-minute, not 20-minute showers. Sorry. So we talked about this before. What do you think? How about you? Do you take 5-minute showers every day? Or you could take longer showers, not every day. And finally, don't call long distance from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. I don't know about this advice. These days, long distance is not too expensive anymore. Most mobile phones can do long distance for the same price as local calls. So I think this advice may be not true anymore. This textbook might be a little bit old for that. Okay, everybody, that's all for today. Our topic today was saving money on utilities. Please enjoy the other activities today. Good luck.